Writing a high-scoring history essay requires more than recalling dates and events. It demands clear argumentation, careful analysis, and the ability to use evidence effectively. A strong history essay shows not only what happened, but also why it happened, how it changed over time, and why it matters. To achieve a top mark, students must combine historical knowledge with structure, critical thinking, and precise writing. The first step is understanding the question. History essay prompts often contain key terms such as to what extent, compare, evaluate, or analyze. These words determine the type of answer needed. Before writing, it is essential to identify the time period, key themes, and any limits imposed by the question. A common mistake is writing everything known about the topic instead of answering the specific question directly. Next, a strong essay needs a clear thesis statement. This is the main argument that the essay will defend throughout. It should be specific, debatable, and directly related to the question. For example, instead of saying, "This essay will discuss the causes of World War I," a better thesis would state which causes were most important and why. A strong thesis gives the essay direction and helps keep each paragraph focused. Structure is equally important. A high-quality history essay usually begins with an introduction, followed by well-organized body paragraphs, and ends with a concise conclusion. Each body paragraph should focus on one main idea and begin with a topic sentence. The paragraph should then present evidence, explain its significance, and connect it back to the argument. This approach helps create a logical flow and demonstrates clear thinking. Evidence is the foundation of historical writing. However, simply listing facts is not enough. Students should select relevant evidence and explain how it supports their argument. Good essays use dates, events, historians' views, or primary sources where appropriate. More importantly, they analyze the evidence rather than merely describe it. For example, instead of stating that a reform was introduced in a certain year, a strong essay explains why it was introduced and what impact it had. Critical analysis is what separates an average essay from an excellent one. This means considering different interpretations, weighing the importance of various factors, and showing awareness of complexity. History is rarely simple, so strong essays avoid absolute statements unless they are fully justified. Comparing causes, evaluating significance, and recognizing change over time all demonstrate deeper understanding. Finally, writing style matters. A high-scoring history essay should be clear, formal, and concise. Sentences should be precise, and terminology should be used accurately. Repetition, vague language, and unsupported claims should be avoided. Proofreading is also essential, as spelling and grammar errors can weaken even a well-researched essay. In conclusion, writing a high-scoring history essay requires careful planning, a strong argument, relevant evidence, and thoughtful analysis. By answering the question directly, building a clear structure, and explaining the significance of historical evidence, students can produce essays that are both persuasive and academically strong. With practice, these skills become easier to apply, leading to more confident and successful history writing. Are you struggling to write your history essay? You're not alone. Many students find essay writing daunting. But what if I told you there's a way to turn this challenge into a strength? Today, we'll unravel the secrets to crafting a high-scoring history essay. First, let's define the problem. Writing a history essay involves critical thinking, research, and effective communication. This can be overwhelming. But with a structured approach, You'll master this skill in no time. Let's break it down into simple steps. Step 1. Understand the question. What is being asked? Identify keywords. Write them down. This will lead your research. Step 2. Conduct thorough research. Use reliable sources. Libraries, databases, and academic journals are great starting points. Take notes and organize them by themes or arguments. Step 3. Create an outline. Structure your essay before writing. This should include an introduction, body paragraphs, and a conclusion. Each section should connect logically to the next. Step 4. Write a compelling introduction. Start with a hook to grab attention. Contextualize your topic and provide your thesis statement. This sets the tone for your essay. Step 5. Develop the body paragraphs. Each paragraph should have one main idea. Start with a topic sentence. Support it with evidence and examples. Always analyze the information, explaining its significance. Step 6. Craft a strong conclusion. Summarize your main points. Restate your thesis in a new way. Leave the reader with a lasting impression. Writing a history essay can feel like a heavy task. However, with the right plan, it becomes manageable. Let's consider an example. Imagine we're writing about the causes of World War I. After determining our focus, we research events like alliances, militarism, and imperialism. We outline our essay, introducing key themes in the introduction, discussing each cause in body paragraphs, and summarizing their impacts in the conclusion. Now, let's summarize the key points. Understand the question. Conduct thorough research. Organize your ideas with an outline. Write clear introductions and conclusions. Support body paragraphs with solid evidence. You are now equipped to write an impressive history essay. Remember, take your time and revise. If you're eager to improve your writing skills, start practicing today. Share this video and help others succeed in their history essays. Don't forget to subscribe for more educational tips.